Hey guys, good morning if you're watching this live, and if you're watching it on recording, well then I guess it is what it is, whatever time of day you're watching this, day or night. Hey, I get a question, and this usually comes in every day in some way, shape, or form, and that's just, what do I do after I join? All right, I join LiveGood, what do I do? And I'm always going, holy moly, that's a big question. It's like going to a restaurant and ordering everything on the menu with a Diet Coke, and you want it in 15 or maybe 10 minutes. It's like, settle down. Let's do baby steps. Okay? First of all, if you join my team, thank you, because I know there's about almost 1 million other people that are in LiveGood, and half of them are probably trying to do the affiliate thing. Okay? If you join me, you probably know that I offer free training support. I want you to download an app on your phone so you have 24 access where you can ask questions 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. I don't care where you live on this earth. There's always one of us or somebody in our app that can probably help you out with marketing advice or just something about LiveGood. Maybe you go, hey, how's Utah doing? Hey, we're snowing, it's cold. How's Australia? I hear it's summer over there. You're going to probably meet some really cool people too through our group. But the best part, I think, is the support that you'll get when you're stuck, and especially when you're feeling embarrassed. And if you have an upline leader that's just an affiliate person, they don't really answer emails. They don't do nothing. They just want you to sign up. They make money off you, and then they're shopping or something. They're buying shit. They're going on cruises or something. If you do join, and you join a group that offers support, and it might just be an arm, it might be just a handshake, it might just be, hey, you know what, I'm going to learn this. It's nice to know that I'm kind of new, and I have a lot of questions, and I feel embarrassed to ask, and that other person probably has the same type of feelings, and I like that. It means that you want to do more than just buy the products, which I admire. I mean, that's how I got in the company. But don't be embarrassed if you sign up under my group. The main reason why, and this sounds really obvious and kind of blah, but if you make money, I make money. And if I make a lot of money and do a lot of signups, my spillover, which is a nice bonus, you can look at it, just go to pay plan. It's on the left of my screen here. Just go to livegood.com, look up affiliate pay plan or pay plan, scroll down and watch the video. You guys can see the 6 ways that we get paid. One way is spillover, okay? I don't hold my breath from it. I like to cause the spillover. If I'm in the bathtub, I freak out. I do crazy shit in the bathtub to where all the water spills out. Spills out down below. That's kind of like what the spillover is. All right, you sign up underneath me. It's like, hey man, I'm splish splashing, freaking out in the bathtub, and the water's going crazy, and you're like, you should be pissed off because everything's wet and crazy, but you're like, hey, you know what? This wet and crazy is money, and money's good, and we want your bathtub to fill up with a bunch of water, which is money, and you freak out in your bathtub and you spill over into your downline too. That's how I look at the spillover. But you know what? I don't hold my breath for it. I like to recruit. I like to have people in my life joining. All right, we have kind of, it could be a movement, it could be a bowel movement. It could be just some movement that really feels good. And sometimes a bowel movement is probably the best part of the day, isn't it? When you're sitting there, you have your phone, you're just sitting there reading the news or texting or playing Candy Crush going, God, I've been done with my bowel movement for a half hour. And then you stand up and you have a ring around your ass for like 6 hours. That's kind of fun sometimes, unless you're an all-nude dancer like a Chippendale, because it is weird to shake your butt out there. And girls going, God, that guy, I think he's been playing Candy Crush, and he's been sitting on the bathroom toilet thing. That don't look good. Ladies, you already know. But us guys, us chip and monk dancers, it's where we're old and saggy. We're out there doing our best. We're just working hard for the money. But I like LiveGood because if you just join, you don't need salt and pepper and whipped cream and cherries and all this add-on shit to make it badass. Because it's ingenious that our products, number one, they're high grade. Number two, they're wholesale if you want to spend $10 a month. And you don't have to buy a damn thing to earn commissions. All right, that's important. That's why I joined. I don't consider this a traditional MLM. It's an MLP to me, multi-level pay. I like that. matrix, pyramid. I've heard of every type of thing in the world when it comes down to 1 + 1 = 5, and 5 of 2 and 1%. If you live in America, you know Bernie Sanders. He ran for president. He's like 900 years old, but he's like 1% of 10%. If you minus 3% equals 6%. And if you get 1 and 2, I'm like, what the hell's this guy talking about? Put him in as president. He's batshit crazy, and I'm into that. So, I like things simple. If you join my team, first of all, get your username and password set up. Number 2, I want you to configure how you're going to get paid. You know, half my downline, they don't do that. They're like, oh, cryptocurrency, I pay out, e-wallet. I'm like, hey, come on, guys. We're going to earn money. We're going to put some money in your pocket. I feel like that's my responsibility. Because if you join my team, I make 25 bucks. I know that's not a ton of money, but you know what? It's like buying me lunch, dinner, breakfast. And I like that. I do one of those 3 pretty much once a day. I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And 25 bucks is 25 bucks. I don't care if I have 100 million bucks. 25 bucks, I feel it's my duty to do the best I can to welcome you aboard. I want to get you free support and training. I want you to download an app on your phone. I want you to spend probably about $22 to $23, like on a GoDaddy, domain, wherever you want to go buy a domain name, because I want you to buy 2 of them. For example, joincory.com and workwithcory.com. Okay, I want you to get 2 domains that's good for you. If your name is Poindexter, workwithpoindexter.com, joinpoindexter.com. Something like that, because I want you to forward 1 to the Live Good capture page, which we'll discuss, and I want 1 to the super funnel that is the best on the planet. I have now got 14 signups in the last week. Thank you, super funnel, and thank you just YouTube videos and my email campaigns. Okay? I can sit here and blow smoke up your ass and say that there is a secret. And if you buy this secret from me, you're going to get this if you do that. I think everything you need is probably on YouTube as far as advice. But when it comes down to software, it's like a tool to me. I need to write something, so I go buy this big old long juicy Bic. I whip my Bic out, and guess what? I go like this, and I can write notes with it. Okay? The only thing I recommend when Live Good comes into the chit chat here is I like software that you can use like a tool. And it's not like digital information, some high ticket thing where you pay $1,000 and now you can go find other people that will buy your education for $1,000. I don't need money like that. But if you buy a tool and it helps you in Live Good, then I'm for that. I do like artificial intelligence. I think it will help you. And I do like a system, totallyawesomeleads.com. It's a system that's been around a long time, but if you have a good subject and a good email, and you got $1 a day, I think it'll help you too. So $49.95, you join Live Good. We're going to get you a username, password, and you're going to get yourself configured so you can get paid. That's all your information. Number 2, I want you to get 2 domain names. All right, and I'm going to make sure that you forward them properly. And we're going to sit there, and we're going to look and click, and when it looks perfect, we're going to go, good, next step. We're going to get 30 bucks out, and I want you to get 3,000 email leads per month. And if we can hurry and get somebody to sign up in your group with this email system, you can get 200 a day. I want you to get 6,000 emails. I know that sounds like a lot, but you know what? That's what it is. I do this every day, guys. I did this system 3 months before I said, I'm going to put my name and my big giant forehead on this system that's only $1 a day. Not $1,000, not $600, not bait and switch where you join for $1, the next month it's like 90 bucks. Okay? You got $1 a day. I recommend do $30. You get 1 sign up out of 3,000 to 6,000 email leads. You make 25 bucks. Would you spend 25 bucks to spend 30 to get 6,000 emails? I sure do. I've been averaging 8 to 10 signups with this system. Okay? I think it's relatively easy. Even if you're new and you're retired, I get it. There's a lot of people out there that get intimidated. And good, that's okay. But let's just do baby steps. Okay? If you want to sign up, let's just get you signed up. Username, password, everything that we've discussed. Let's just take baby steps. And in a day or two, You're going to have a Live Good website, a capture page. You're going to have the super funnel. I'm going to build that for you. I want to make dang sure that you got that 30 bucks. Save it, spend it. I know you have it. And if you don't, then do the best you can, because I think the email campaign will really rock. Okay? You got to have fun. All right? Happy smile. We're all pissed off behind the scenes. We all fake it. We're always on video and, oh, what a great day. And then we turn the camera off and we're like, son of a bitch, mother. But anyway, thanks for watching my videos. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And I want you to bookmark my Facebook page. All this information's below. If you have questions about Live Good, get a hold of me. Inbox on Facebook is by far the best. You can email me too. Cory at CoryDraper.com. My cell is there. All of it. I've had it 30-something years now, guys. Let's just get you in Live Good, okay? And believe me, in a day or two, you'll learn a lot. And it's all simple stuff. I don't like complicated. I don't like setting up autoresponders for 5 years and coming up with a system like there's some magic ball to Live Good, because at the end of the day, it's a badass website. You can buy cool products. You can buy shirts and cut the sleeves off in a hat. And if you want to get wholesale prices, you spend 10 bucks a month. That's it. And there's nothing left to do except go 40 bucks will get you an affiliate. All right, give you a little piece of affiliation and you can go make money. That's what I do. I want you to make 50 to 100 bucks as fast as possible, because you're going to spend 10 bucks to make 50. You're going to spend 10 bucks a month to make 100 a month. Then, with a lot of fun and posting, you're going to spend 10 bucks a month to make 100 a week. Then we're going to get a bunch of people underneath you to do the same thing. We're going to offer them free training and support. We all take care of each other. You got my back, I got your back. All right, we're in it together. We want to make money and have fun. Okay, now click the link, go to joincory.com, go to workwithcory.com. Those are both links that I use every single day to invite people to watch, and that is it. I leave them alone. They usually get a hold of me if they have questions, and after that, if they pre-enroll or sign up, kumbaya, okay? So anyway, this video has been long enough. You guys, you can see I usually get signups every day. I've had about 14 over the last week. Looks like I got a couple people right now Monday as I produce this, and yeah, I've had one sign up already. I usually get about 30 to 40% that people, you can see here I had 8 people pre-enroll the other day and 4, that's awesome, isn't it? To get 30 to 50% of the people that just pre-enroll. They usually convert over, and that's pretty darn good. Thank you, Live Good. And like I said, this system is awesome without the salt, the pepper, the whipped cream, or the cherry. It just stands on its own as just a cool company. And when people run into it and watch it and look at it, they get compelled to probably want to join. Okay, and that's the best part about it. So, all right, guys, you got a lot to do. And all you got to do is click, get some business cards, joincory.com. I want you to look at what I do, and if you think you can do it, and I know you can, that's why I'm here. I want you to join, and let's get going. All right, today is a Monday. All right, let's kick some ass, have some fun, and get some coin in your pocket. All right, disclaimer, disclaimer. So, okay, guys, we'll see you soon. All right, get a hold of me if you need something. Take care. Bye.